already, already,
before now, or before a particular time in the past.
I asked him to come to the exhibition, but he'd already seen it. The concert had already begun by the time we arrived. I've already told him. Record, 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 recording, record.
To store sounds or pictures using electronic equipment, a camera, etc. so that you can listen to them or see them again.
They've just recorded a new album. I recorded that program for you. A recorded message.
Throw, throw,
Throw, throw, through, thrown.
To make something move through the air by pushing it out of your hand.
She threw the ball back over the fence. I threw the ball to the dog. Could you throw me an apple?
Cycling, cycling,
Cycle, cycling, cyclist, cycle.
The sport or activity of riding a bicycle.
We go cycling most weekends. Hope, 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 hopeful, hopeless, hopefully, hopelessly.
To want something to happen or be true.
I hope that the bus won't be late. We had hoped for better weather than this. Do you think it's going to rain? I hope not. Business, business.
An organization that sells goods or services.
He runs a small IT business. The two brothers set up or started up a fashion business.
mosque, mosque,
A building for Islamic religious activities and worship.
They've just built a mosque there.
umbrella, umbrella,
A thing that you hold above your head to keep yourself dry when it is raining.
I felt a few spots of rain, so I put my umbrella up. I left my umbrella on the bus yesterday. Spare, spare.
Time when you are not working.
I like to do a bit of gardening in my spare time. Thanks, 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 thankful, thankfully.
Used to refuse an offer politely.
Would you like a drink? No thanks, I've just had one.
Exit, exit,
exit, exit,
The door or gate which you use to leave a public building or place.
A fire exit. An emergency exit. The main exit.
A road which you use to leave a motorway or roundabout.
Take the third exit at the next roundabout.
Lost, 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 lost.
lost, lost, loss, lose, lost,
Not knowing where you are or where you should go.
I got lost in the London Underground. You look lost, can I help you? Safe, safe, safety, safe, unsafe, safely.
Not dangerous or likely to cause harm.
A safe driver. That ladder doesn't look safe. She wished us a safe journey. Be
Used to say that someone has gone to a place and returned from that place.
I've been to Mexico. Have you ever been to the US?
Used with the present participle of other verbs to describe actions that are or were still continuing.
I'm still eating. She's studying to be a lawyer. The audience clearly wasn't enjoying the show.
Used with the past participle of other verbs to form the passive.
This dessert is made from eggs, sugar, and cream. A body was discovered by the police. The results will be announced next week.
Size. Size.
How large or small something or someone is.
The size of those trees is amazing. What is the size of that window? The field was about 4 hectares in size.
One of the different measurements in which things, for example clothes, food containers, etc. are made.
A size 14 dress. Do these shoes come in children's sizes? What size are you? Or what is your size? Or what size do you take?